Now, the Gujarat government, the India AI Research Organization and IBM have announced plans to establish an industrial artificial intelligence center of excellence in Gujarat, designed as a full-scale transformation hub for India's industrial future. Now, if the intersection of government, research and enterprise AI is where you think the real story is, well, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. The proposed Center of Excellence will focus on advancing the application of AI across asset-intensive industries such as manufacturing, energy, utilities, and supply chains. It is envisioned as a living lab, like a space where industrial AI solutions are actively tested and deployed in real-world environments. The goal is to support indigenous sovereign AI technologies. The initiative aligns closely with Gujarat's ambition to position itself as a leading destination for industrial AI. The state is looking to build a long-term ecosystem rather than, well, isolated technology projects. And this is where actually the scale of the plan becomes quite significant. The industrial AI COE is expected to go far beyond research and software development. It will actively build an ecosystem through pilot projects, technology demonstrations, conferences, and stakeholder engagements. The idea is basically to connect industry, academia, startups, and government into a single collaborative network. A major pillar of the initiative is talent development, and rightly so. The center will focus on creating a workforce capable of real-world deployment. As part of the collaboration, IBM will serve as technical and strategic advisor to the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, highlighting the importance of combining research with industrial deployment. Amit Sheth, who is the founding director of the India AI Research Organization, said, Gujarat's industrial leadership provides a strong foundation for indigenous innovation to nurture world-class talent and translate frontier research into real-world impact. Now, emphasizing the need for enterprise-ready AI, Sriram Raghavan, General Manager of IBM Software India and Software Innovation Lab, said this opportunity requires access to historical data, enterprise-ready platforms, governance, and ecosystem partnerships. Now, collaborating with the Government of Gujarat and IAIRO would help create a platform that fosters innovation and accelerates the adoption of sovereign AI technologies. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, the announcement comes at a time when Indian states are, well, progressively investing in AI infrastructure and innovation ecosystems. The broader goal is to drive industrial competitiveness. It could position, of course, India as a global hub for next generation technologies. And in that larger race for AI leadership, Gujarat is now placing a strategic bet of building an entire industrial AI ecosystem from ground up. India's AI story is no longer limited to research labs or, for that matter, software exports, which leaves, well, us all with a very crucial question, which is this. Would the next phase of AI in India not just be about intelligence in the cloud? Could it shift towards intelligence powering the real economy on the ground? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.